In this session, we will further discuss the use of categories and tags used with your posts. Also, you will learn how you can manage your categories and tags using their administrative panels. Categories and tags organize your posts to make them easier to locate by your visitors. But before we can go any further, let's make sure we are logged in to the site as an administrative user so we can get access to the administrative panels of WordPress. Let's first discuss categories. Now, categories, unlike tags, can have a hierarchy. This means that your categories can be grouped or nested. Let's create an example of what I'm talking about. To get into categories, we hover over posts and select categories. Let's create a category called SEO and make plugins apparent. This category would be used for any post discussing search engine optimization plugins. So let's type in SEO. And we don't have to do a slug, that will be automatically created for us. But let's select parent plugins. Now you can add a description, and it's optional. In some templates this will be displayed, but in most it doesn't, so this is truly optional. Let's go ahead and add our SEO. Now the new category appears under plugins, but you'll notice it has a hyphen in front of it. This indicates that it's a child of the category just above it. Okay, I have a new post that I've created that set up as a draft, and we'll be using this new category. Let's see what happens. Let's go into posts, and here's our draft. Let's do a quick edit because we can use that to change the plugins or the categories. You'll notice that right now it's set as uncategorized, and I'm going to change it to SEO. I don't have to check plugins because SEO is a child of plugins, so it automatically assumes that characteristic also. Let's also publish it and then update. Let's see what happened. And there's our new post, all-in-one SEO. And you'll notice it now has the SEO plugin. Let's go ahead and add some tags to it too. And let's save that. And go back to our website. And there's our new plugins. Now the nice thing about using categories and plugins, it makes it easier for your visitors to locate posts related to them. You'll notice here under categories we now have plugins, SEO, and uncategorized. And this is called a tag cloud. Now what will happen here is it'll list all your tags that you've used within your posts, and any tag that's used more often will be in larger type. This is kind of convenient. So now if I click plugin, it will list all the posts that use that plugin tag. Now let's go ahead and click plugins here under categories, and you'll notice the same two come up because they're both associated with the plugins category. Now let's click SEO. And now only the all-in-one SEO appears. Now tags can also be preset up prior to entering any posts using the tags panel under posts. Let's go ahead and get back into the administrative tools and click tags. But note you can set a hierarchy, and the best way to create tags is through your post editor. Once set up though, they will appear on this list of tags and on the tag panel, and so to further edit them or remove them if needed. That's it for categories and tags. And for other great getting started videos, be sure to visit us online at www.essayright.net.